Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Zoho Creator to Google Drive, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect Zoho Creator to Google Drive, start by logging into your Zoho Creator account. Once logged in, navigate to the application you wish to integrate with Google Drive. Click on the settings icon in the top right corner of the application dashboard. In the settings menu, find and select the integrations option. Look for Google Drive in the list of available integrations. Click on the Connect button next to Google Drive. A new window will appear prompting you to sign in to your Google account. Enter your Google account credentials and click Next. Review the permissions that Zoho Creator is requesting access to. If you agree, click Allow to grant permission. Once connected, you will see a confirmation message indicating successful integration. Return to your Zoho Creator application dashboard. To create a new workflow that interacts with Google Drive, click on the Workflows tab. Select Create Workflow and choose a triggering event, such as form submission. In the Workflow Actions, look for the option to add an action and choose Google Drive. You can then define what you want to do with Google Drive, such as uploading files or creating folders. Fill in the required details based on your specific needs for the action. Make sure to map the fields from Zoho Creator to the corresponding fields in Google Drive. Once you are satisfied with your workflow configuration, click Save. Test the new workflow by triggering the event you set up. Check your Google Drive to confirm that the data has been transferred successfully. If everything works as expected, your Zoho Creator is now fully connected to Google Drive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.